Hi everyone, this is Ayman Ibrahim. This is week 16 update with Lore. So how's it going, Lore, so far?
Very good.
So did you lose any weight in week 16? Or?
Yeah, I planned it, and because I wanted to lose a chunk of weight, I lost 4 pounds.
So how much do you weigh as of today?
139 pounds.
This is a new record, right?
It's a long time since I've been this weight.
How many
Yes,
years?
you would.
How many years? You go back in time. How many years did you see?
I figured about 13 years.
13. But at this point, like, there is no urgency to lose weight. But why you continue to try to lose weight?
I'm challenging my own self to see what kind of control I can have over my body and how I can still enjoy things, but still control it, so that if and when I want to lose weight, I can do it just like that.
So last week, for example, like, you managed to enjoy things you like.
I did.
Right?
Yeah.
And
sure
you were
did.
not concerned about gaining weight.
Nope.
And at the same time, by the end of the week, you managed to lose whatever you gained plus more.
I guess so. Yeah.
So that means you managed to do whatever you like and lose weight at the same time in 1 week.
Yes. So it's kind of surreal a little bit to me.
Yeah.
I keep thinking in my mind, is this really real? Can this really happen? And it can.
But people, to be honest with you, might find it very hard to believe that, because
I would have.
Yeah.
I do. I still do a little bit.
Yeah, because people usually, they either stay away or eliminate anything they like to lose weight, which is not sustainable for the long run.
No.
Or they enjoy their lives but they gain weight, right?
Yes.
But for you right now, like, you are trying to find how to balance, how to have a balance between what you enjoy and how to manage your weight at the same time, right?
I think as I'm doing this, as I'm like enjoying some of the things, and then I do take some of the tools that you've given us and the teachings that we've learned in this class, I'm sort of building my confidence now in testing the limits.
Yes.
And I always come back to it works.
That's
it works.
good. So right now you're just losing weight for testing purposes.
Exactly.
Just to the limit. Yeah. But there's no urgency to lose weight.
No, because actually this weight that I'm at right now is my ideal weight
Yeah.
of all time. Like even when I was younger, this was my ideal weight at 139, 138 pounds. But I'm just wanting to challenge myself just to show that I have control and I can do it.
If you go back in time 16 weeks ago, like, you used to be 166,
166 I started.
Yeah, like, you had very limited, very like a small goal. Like, like, you were very hesitant.
Did not trust.
Yeah. So, but right now, it's on the other side. Like, you are challenging yourself to see the limit. So,
yes.
In a few weeks.
I know.
Right?
I know.
Like, people find it very hard to believe, but actually it's not that difficult to do or to change your lifestyle, right?
But once you have the right tools.
Correct.
Ayman, I think I have tried a lot over most of my life to keep my weight in control, and it got out of control. And I couldn't control it at one point in time in my life. And you need the right tools, because I tried other tools that were, quite sensible tools.
Correct.
But it wasn't the right, this tool and that tool, put them together, that's what works.
And this is why at the beginning, like the first 10 weeks, we're just focusing not too much on losing weight. It's about the science behind losing weight and how to improve our, we're just focusing on learning new skills and try new tools.
Yes,
right?
And it has to be that first. That has to happen first.
Not because the people will say, okay, so why don't we just start that from day one? I told them it won't work. If you don't understand the science behind it, it won't work.
Yeah.
Right? And this is the biggest challenge, that people try to find shortcuts when it comes to losing weight, right?
That's true.
But right now, like, you spend most of the time in this program learning and applying what you learn and testing, and see the results, make adjustment.
Yeah.
So do you think in the future, do you think you'll gain back the weight you lost? Or?
Oh, not all of the weight. I mean, I'm going to gain and I'm going to lose, and I'm going to gain.
Which is very normal.
According to stresses in life or situations or circumstances, or go on a holiday. And I am not right now. I don't have that fear No problem.
Because you are in control. So
'Cause I know what to
this
do.
is the main, the key to success, right?
Yes.
Very good, excellent. So thank you so much, and I look forward to have a follow-up interview with you next week. Thank you.